We'll look at two key use cases in this video: ensuring an even ticket load for your agents, directing tickets based on specialization. Section 1. Equal ticket load. Let's start with how to use assignment tools to ensure an equal ticket load for your agents. All support teams have busy days, especially during new product releases or updates. This is where round-robin assignment rules come in handy. To create a round-robin assignment rule, click the Setup icon on the top right. Select Assignment Rules and choose Round Robin from the left panel. Click New Round Robin Assignment. Add a rule name and a short description. Click Add Target to set conditions. For example, apply the rule if the incoming ticket is for a Z phone. Next, select Agents and choose All Agents. Finally, click Save. Your round-robin assignment rule is now active. Section 2. Assign based on specialization. Next, let's see how to assign tickets based on specialization so each ticket reaches the right agent immediately. When you provide multi-channel support, agents often specialize in certain channels. Direct assignment rules help you build flows where tickets go to the best agent for the task. To create a direct assignment rule for social media channels, click Setup, then Assignment Rules, and select New Direct Assignment. Add a rule name and description. Click Add Target and set the first condition as channel equals Facebook. Then add a second condition for channel equals Twitter. Choose the agent who will handle these tickets and click Save. Now, any tickets from your social media channels will be assigned to your social media specialist. That's how you can balance workloads and assign tickets based on expertise. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.